There's nothing better than this recipe for homemade coconut buttercream frosting. It's a made-from-scratch, simple recipe that is perfect slathered on cakes, cupcakes, or right from the spoon. Start by adding butter to the bowl of a stand mixer and beat that until it's light and fluffy. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar and mix that until it's well mixed in. Add the remaining powdered sugar 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. Add salt and coconut milk 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing well after each addition until the desired consistency is achieved. Spread this over cakes, pipe it over cupcakes, and enjoy! You can get this full printable recipe at bakedbyinintrovert.com.